If you're thinking about automating your screwdriving operation, Visumatic's Cobot Workstation is a great place to start. It's a turnkey solution that hits your floor ready to drive screws. Your team will quickly automate, boosting process safety and efficiency. Visumatic's rapid deployment Cobot screwdriving workstation unlocks a new world of automation potential. It's easy. Anyone can get up and running in minutes. It's safe. The robot has configurable safety features that protect your employees. It's efficient. The robot can install screws faster and more accurately. Available standard configuration packages have the built-in capability to fit your process flow. These include automatic screw feed and drive gear, torque and angle control fastening, area safety scanners, and basic part fixturing, all self-contained on a modular frame. Visumatic's Cobot screwdriving workstation can be a huge benefit to your manufacturing process, improving productivity, quality control, and safety. It's a simple yet powerful tool that promptly delivers ROI right to your bottom line.